time. Snuggle up, little one. Hold me tight, snuggle up. Day is done.
It's bedtime with Barney all over the world. Bedtime with Barney for all boys and girls.
I love story time. Now it's time. Snuggle up, little one. Let me read just for you. You're the one.